If you are wondering whether you can still make big money with Swagbucks now, here's the straightforward truth. The platform is completely legitimate and has paid hundreds of millions of dollars over nearly 2 decades. It remains one of the most reliable reward sites on the internet, letting you earn points, called SB, for taking surveys, playing mobile games, shopping online, and scanning grocery receipts. They even offer a $10 welcome bonus just for signing up, and you can easily cash out your points at a rate of 100 SB per dollar via PayPal or gift cards. But can you actually make big money here? Absolutely not. While it is a great way to secure some supplemental pocket change, your earning potential is strictly limited. The highest paying options are usually financial sign up offers or reaching high tiers in mobile games, but those require a serious time commitment or upfront capital. You can also visit their um, apps on App Store and Google Play. So, the verdict is that the Swagbucks is a secure, reliable tool to turn your idle downtime into extra coffee, money, or gift cards. But there are surveys or offers that are blocked on your location, so make sure you consider that too. So just completely ignore any get rich hype, manage your expectations, and treat it as a casual side hobby rather than a primary income source.